No, 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 no. I know people are mean, but it's not good to pay evil with evil. Not even from an angel like you. Baby, you are my angel. Do you know that Shaggy song?
Please, Eto, don't even try to sing. Because the last time you did, I had to get my eardrum cleaned.
Am I that bad? Alright. Okay, let me tell you the lyrics. So, you sing. Heaven must be missing an angel because you're right here with me.
I'm so lucky to have you. A man that will wake me up with such lyrics. Why do I even deserve you?
Well, I am the lucky one to be blessed with a woman like you. You can explain for me.
You know what? When I get into the car, I'll call you so you can explain. It will not look late, Lano, and you know I have to get to work.
What did he say?
Because we slept late.
I can't hear you.
We slept late.
I'm glad you said we slept late. But and if like that, I'm ready. And you're not. I've been up since 4 a.m. So what are you doing?
Oh my God.
What happened?
Look at you now. You just made me ruin my makeup. And I've been on it for like 20 minutes. Now, I look like Karishika, or better still, Ojuju Calabar.
Don't ever say that. My woman can never be ugly. Even if she's buried in slime for 5 years, she's still going to be the most beautiful woman on earth. And that's why I love her.
Oh my God, Mr. So, you're smart. I love you more.
So, as much as I love you, I won't want you to scare anyone today. So go get your makeup done. I'll be waiting for you.
Alright then. Let me hang up there.
Oh, you dare not do that. You dare not. See, I'll be waiting for you. Even while driving, I'll still wait till you get back home.
You dare not. So you want to tell me you're going to get to work before me? Oh, so bad.
Alright, I'll wait for you, madam.
Or better.
See, if you don't let me go, I'll start singing for you.
Sing?
I will do anything.
Okay, don't worry, you can go. Please, just go.
Alright.
So you're such a clown.
I love you, Scary.
Go away.
That won't be easy there. You miss me so much, and I'll miss you too.
It's all I did. Don't make me repeat myself. I said go away.
Oh, alright, before I die, can I just say scary one more time? Scary, scary. Ow!
Are you okay? What happened?
I just spilled my tea all over the floor. Oh God, what's wrong with me?
Chico Bonosha.
Ogono, very hot, very, very hot.
See? So now tell me, who is scary?
Just now, you're turning the table all around. How go?
Oh. Ṣé wo mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run àtijọ́ ló máa ń pẹ́ kó tó retaliate? Ṣọ́rọ́ Ọlọ́run is this give and take.
Alright, you want to take very, very soon, very soon. So, have you finished with your makeup?
Tipe. I'm even taking my breakfast.
So you can take your own breakfast after spilling my own breakfast for me, eh?
I didn't.
You did.
Okay, I'll make it up to you.
That will be very, very lovely. You see, Adekunle, the very first time I'll set my eyes on you will be my happiest day of the year.
Can you come and join me?
Sorry, let me clean this. Whoa. Holy wait, told me I chased you for years.
So stop exaggerating. We only started talking 3 months ago actively.
No. See, several months Nimofin dropped messages on the social medias before you could just say hello.
Possible, calm down now. Alpha, calm down.
Me opera now. No, baby. My queen, you can never be mean. You know, it's very difficult to find a gold on the surface of the soil. You have to dig deep before you could get any. And you are my real gold, you know.
But 6 months is not enough for exploration, you know.
Oh. So what you're trying to say now is that you would have held out longer. I can't look when you're alone. No, you don't need that. You don't need that. Baby, I can't wait to see you. You know what? I had to pack so that I can talk to you. Because yesterday, you forced me into the hands of the policemen and I was arrested for calling while driving.
Oh, really?
When I get to the office, I'll call you.
Okay.
All right. So what next?
Oh yeah, add salt.
Salt. Yeah. Oh, right. I should use the spoon.
Just little.
I have to know the quantity. Little. Yes, I'm done with that, but a tablespoon of salt.
Ah, you need to put you now. Come on.
What next? What next, please?
You know, some people do not like sugar, but if you want to put it, it's fine.
I'm with the sugar now, so just wait for the best cook in the world. 10 cubes.
Why? Kilode?
Don't worry, I'm the one eating this food, please. Don't worry. So, Korean time.
Oh, let me see now. She be shula son lo nse. But she be porridge ni.
Well, go back to the budget, and I'll change it to porridge. You want to see me?
Yes. Should I switch to video call? Okay. You can hang up. You know, then call me.
Oh yeah. This is Beloved. And I got Lady Gang right here. Oh baby. You know we've got to settle all the differences and stop acting like nothing is wrong. You know what I mean? My butterfly. Please stay with me. My butterfly. Please don't go away. My butterfly. Come home tonight. My butterfly.
What?
Stay with me for life. Baby, give me one.
When the sunrise on and the shadow descends, every beat of my life, every day without you, every second I live, that's the promise I made. Baby, that's what I give. You just what it takes. That's the height I can go before you abuse me. When the sunrise is on and the shadow descends, every beat of my life, every day without you, every second I live, that's the promise I made. Baby, that's what I give. You just what it takes. That's the height I can go before you abuse me.
My butterfly. Stay with me for life. Give me one more night. One more night. Give me one more night. One more night. Take it in.
Okay. It's not that I want to show you that she understand. But, you know, sorry, what's that?
What's it's just the cleavage, say it's just the cleavage.
Like, please, I don't.
What about this?
Oh my baby, my queen, my woman. I don't want. I don't like this color. Please change it. What's that?
This.
Sorry, what's the difference between this and the other one? Just do me a favor now. Go and put on something that is not too revealing. This is too revealing. Okay, to buy the airport and see all those guys will now be looking at you. Wamari nkoti emi protect. Nah. Shumakwe nkoti ababo olomani. Yeah.
You know what I tell you? If you don't find any of these clothes good enough, I think I will just wear anything and I'm not going to let you see. And if I get the Lagos, that means you're buying me a wardrobe.
Okay, let's try that. So go and change. Yeah.
Okay, one more.
I don't want.
Okay, give me 5 minutes. I'll just go and wear anything, then I'll show you.
5 minutes. You want to conjure?
Is that fine? Or else I'm going to miss my flight.
Okay. Just hurry up, you know.
Is that fine? And it's just a cleavage.
Hello? How are you doing? Are you sure?
I'll see you in 45 minutes.
45 minutes?
No, wait. 36 minutes.
Anyhow, 45, 46 minutes. Well, I'm counting. A minute gone already. I love you, dear. I can't wait to see you. Okay. All right. Hello, babe. Wow. Thank God. You know what? Give me 15 minutes. I'll be right there. Just wait for me, please. All right. Why did you lie to me?
How? What did I say?
You told me you just landed about 2 minutes ago while you were around the corner.
Okay, wow. Okay. I wanted to surprise you. And hey, mission accomplished. I did my mathematics well. Time to pay me I had already landed. I had to put my phone on flight mode, so in case you call, you don't get through to me. And I called the cabman, sent the address, and I'm here. But most of my people had been here. I was actually 2 streets away. Yes.
How did you locate the house?
Child's play. I told you I once lived in Lagos. So, anyway, now let me tell you my plan. I had my plan then. Do you remember like 5 days ago, they went to most of my people for me address? But wait, I thought you said you love surprises, so what's up?
She surprised Elisha, or you were hoping to get me red-handed. Maybe I have a wife, kids, or a living lover. Baby, for real, I don't like my woman. You have to accept that. My only woman.
No! Come on, I was not trying to catch you red-handed, baby. Come on. But I was hoping I was gonna see a thing called two.
Nothing. Just your night.
And China Hammer.
Yeah, that's right. The man that is ready to go to the moon and back in a heartbeat just for you.
Okay, here we go again. Now I understand. And I am your queen. The woman who will bring a whole army to await your arrival on the moon.
I believe you. Alright, since we have established that, I have a surprise for you. I have prepared a royal welcome for you, Your Highness.
Okay.
Alright. You have to close your eyes. Then I lead you into my royal chambers.
So, Why do you want me to close my eyes?
No. Don't ruin the moment. Come over, though.
Did you just say that?
Yeah.
Ew, Baba Jebu.
You know what? I have to blindfold you now, since you hesitated the first time.
Blindfold me.
I don't trust you any longer.
Now you're making me shy. I don't want to look at your face. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm ready.
Hold on, just a second.
Oh my god. So this is so romantic and lovely.
Adekumbi, I know your love for roses, and that's why I decorated your bed with, our bed with roses. And I promise you, our relationship will always be filled with things you love. Everything you love, baby.
Oh. You leave me
Breathless. Just a second, please.
OMG! That's actually one of my favorite songs.
I know.
Excuse me. Who are you? Do you live in my head?
Your head, your heart, your body, your soul. Baby, that's all I need to take over.
Okay. Every romantic move was a hit, back to back. From the calls to the text messages to the video calls.
Yala ya anybody.
Oh my god, that's what I love. I love that. So, it's nice.
I love you.
I love you more. They're nice. I like the candle, the fire, the burning, the fire, if you pull like you will burn. Like, can I have my bag? I can go to the sitting room and have my bag so I can just show them.
I'll get everything.
Yeah, so I can just do it.
I love you.
I love you too.
I can't just express myself. I don't know how much I love you. Baby, I love you.
This guy is so romantic. Oh shit. Wait. Wow.
Judgment time.
Father Lord, I know you're the King of Kings, you're the Lord of Lords, you're the omnipotent, omniscience, the beginning and the end. Father, as we are about to eat, do I make the man that I love with all my heart, with all my life, send myself and himself to elevate with this man. Amen.
Kumbi. The deal was to take a bite before your decision. Okay, let me pray. Dear Lord, convince the woman that I love that I'm a great cook.
Amen.
Oh Lord, heal her from the sudden cough and let her just have a little faith in me.
Amen.
Okay. Say something.
It's nice. It's delicious.
Mm-hmm. Keep it coming. The praises. Go on.
Okay. Very sumptuous. And it's Everything.
I'm not convinced. I'm still waiting for the word.
What is that?
Apologies for doubting me.
After the meal.
No, I won't get that from you. I want it right now. Right about now.
His Royal Highness Oba Etolade of Etolade Kingdom, I am deeply and sincerely sorry. Accept my apology.
Apologies accepted.
That means the last food to say, oh, my line's gone.
Kò lè má jẹ́ kí n pa fún ẹ. Kò dáa rárá. Mo láti dáná sínú trash can.
Then why did you lie to me?
You don't have to know that. I have to hide that from you.
But baby, why do you do this all by yourself?
Do what?
Stop acting like you don't know what I'm talking about. I mean, the cooking, the cleaning, a lot of things. Why?
See, well, the last maid I had, she stole a lot of things from me, a lot of my belongings. She stole my money, she stole my jewelry, she stole my phones. You know, since then I decided to stop all that and never have a maid again.
Maids are terrible people.
Yeah. Now that I have you, and I know I'll be getting married soon, I don't need them anymore. Or am I going to be lonely?
Hell no. Good job. Lying, 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 baby, could ya? Could see me, lady. That's why I'm saying that. Lying.
I feel like the world is perfect right now. They keep saying you don't know someone until you live with them. And I feel that's the greatest lie ever told. Yes, I feel like we've been here before. this moment, this hour, this dance.
It's hard. Listen, this place feels like home. I feel this is my home. It's not like I'm hanging out or I'm somewhere. I feel like I'm home. Nothing matters to me anymore in this world. It's just you and I.
Kunle, we need to talk.
Yes.
Oshama pé our méjèèjì ní combination experiences were.
Yes.
The past, the present, and the future. I want you to tell me about your past. What made you the woman that you are today?
Sorry, I need you to listen to me properly. I do not dwell in my past, and neither should you.
But you know I need to know. It matters. It's going to help me.
What is it about you and past? I already told you, I said I don't like talking about my past. My past is past. I like to talk about my present and my future, so I don't want to talk about my past.
Is there any problem in you telling me?
No. Is there something else about this past? You keep talking about past. Show me about secondary school, ni? No, like seriously. Come on. You just ruined this mood. Cheers. Excuse me. Good night. I told you I hate to talk about my past. I don't want to talk about my... I keep saying it.
Adekunbi, I'm so sorry I pushed too hard. I just want to know you more. I'm very sorry. So sorry. Please forgive me. Please say something. Kunle, I need to know you more. See, right now, I'm your son, and you are my mom. Omod, ìyá ò dẹ̀ lè bínú sọ́mọ ẹ̀. I'm sorry. Morning, Sasha. Still angry?
Me too. Just a little.
So, how do I fix that?
I would have to think.
I'm still waiting. Now, are you still mad?
Not anymore. I can't be mad at you. I can't even be mad at you for an hour.
Wow. This is giving me an insight into what's next. Always.
Did you just say that?
Yeah, so that I can make up with you like this, you know.
You know, you didn't really. Okay, I'm not angry anymore, so there's no point for anybody to get angry. So, what are you doing?
I'm cooking.
I don't get. You're cooking?
Cooking.
Okay, yeah. So, what are you cooking?
Actually, this is jollof rice and coconut rice. The combination of the two.
This is a joke. Are you cooking the jollof rice separately, or you're cooking the jollof rice and the coconut rice together?
Just to wait for my recipe. Oh my God.
I thought you said I should come here for a weekend so I can have fun. So why do you want to poison me?
Poison you?
Yes.
That is what you said yesterday, but eventually you acknowledged my skills.
Skills? Oh, really? How many times do you try go to that one fail? And yesterday was just an average, let's just say average, like 20%.
Do you know how many times Timothy rehearsed the you know? Can you say?
And I don't want to know. Okay, anyway, mommy is here. Can I do the cooking?
Thank you, ma. Tubamo, how relieved I am because me tell more what next to do. I don't.
Oh, wait. So, you don't know what to do next. So that means you don't know what you're even doing. Now I'm gonna get angry.
Oh, that's good. Go, get angry.
I should get angry.
Yeah, get mad because we have to make up.
I'm not angry now, I'm laughing.
Alright.
So I'm not angry. So can you pick up? Let me do the cooking.
Alright.
Thank you. Excuse me. Oh, no, don't worry, I'm used to that. Okay. What else did you make?
Yeah.
Can you go? Let me just concentrate. Please.
Okay, I'll leave, but don't miss me.
Okay, come. I know what you want. Stay. So I won't miss you.
I'll stay, but I have to go and brush my teeth.
All the way you've been talking to... You know, when I came, I wanted to...
Any word from you again, I'll give you a French kiss. A deep one. Alright, let me leave. I'll be right back. Who is Jokes?
Who is Jokes? Who is who?
I said, who is Jokes?
Oh, Jokes. Okay, Jokes. He's my friend, and why did you ask?
Kunle, I'll give you one more chance to answer this question correctly. Báwo ni Jokes ṣe jẹ́ sí?
And I need you to listen to me very carefully. I do not like people going through my phone. That is what I call invasion of privacy. You don't go through people's phone. Now listen, this is where I draw the line. Okay? Jokes is my friend. Excuse me. Can I have my phone? Why Why did you have to go through my phone?
I'm not interested.
You're not interested. Okay. Why you're dressed up?
I'm going out.
You're going. Okay. So why?
Out. That's what I said. Kunle, out.
Out, you say? Eto, please don't do this. I don't really like people going through my phone.
Oh yeah. This is beloved. And I got Lady Gang right here. Oh baby. You know we've got to settle all the differences and stop acting like nothing is wrong. You know what I mean? Ooh, my butterfly. Laba, 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 laba. Please stay with me. Laba, 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 laba. My butterfly. Please don't go away. My butterfly. Laba, 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 laba. Come home tonight. Laba, 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 laba. My butterfly. Stay with me for life. Baby, give me one more night. One more night. Give me one more night. One more night. Jẹ́ kí n fi ẹ́ tún wà mí ṣe. Oh, my baby. My baby. I cannot do without you. Oh, ìwọ ní tèmi tọ̀sán tọ̀sán. Àkànkẹ́ Àṣàkẹ́ Àlàkẹ́ mi. Oh, ìwọ nìkan ni. My butterfly. Laba, 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 laba. Please stay with me. Laba, 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 laba. My butterfly. Please don't go away. My butterfly. Laba, 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 laba. Come home tonight. Laba, 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 laba. My butterfly. Stay with me. Yes, I do. Yes, I
No, listen. Don't even pretend like you're drunk. You're lying. You slimy bastard.
That's rich. Very rich. Those words coming from you? Oh my God. Those words means nothing. You this cheat. Oh, you deserve an award for that. Or maybe we should give you cheat of the year or Onishe Kushe award of the century.
Now listen, I do not care. Whose child is this?
Don't ask me.
Listen, I asked you a direct question and I need a direct answer. Listen to me. You told me you have no child, you have no wife, you live alone, your life is boring. Now what is this? Okay? Tell me, who is this? Odidiomo, like a share baby. This is not a doll. Look at what you wrote. My baby, my fourth child, my ward, Etolade Jr. Now tell me, whose child is this?
I don't have an explanation for you.
Okay, really?
See, please. The advice I'll give you now is that you go and rest. As I am, anger meeting love from 95% to 100%. Just leave me and let me go.
You must be very sick. Okay, you actually think I'm posh. Oh my God, let me now tell you something. Raz gone. I'm very Raz. What is Raz you? Okay, you think I'm stupid, Abby? Now let me tell you another thing. Both of us at the mother of Ulale, there is no God that is sleeping in this house except to tell me who that baby is.
Yeah, please, I beg you. Just leave me. I've had enough. Let me go and take my shower and rest.
Oh, so you want to go, baby? Okay, you think I'm poor, Abby? No problem. Good night. Have a wonderful night. Please dream about me. Come back here. You think I'm joking, eh? You think I'm joking? You want to fight? I will give you. It's not what. So that you want to fight so that we come on. Bring it on. Bring it on. Okay, we have a push. Raz be weary. Yes, I'm Raz. I don't care. Yes, Raz.
I'm in Kunle Raz.
Okay. Yes! Stand up first. Yes, wait. Let me go. Wait. Yes, wait.
Come on, please, untie me, please. My hand hurts. Shit. Please. Come, please. Why are you calling me?
Hector? It's Kumbi! Etta!
What's that? Are you okay? Would you like to talk about it?
Yes. I saw both of us were getting married. All of a sudden, you were just walking away from me.
Walking away?
Yes. Anytime Timba wa fe try lati somewhere, we want to move faster. Timba sáré tẹ̀lé, wa tún sáré gan. Mo títí mi fi rẹ̀ mọ́. Baby, please don't leave me. Don't walk away from me.
It's just a dream. I'm not going anywhere. I'm here to stay. I'm for real. I also had a dream.
You had a dream?
Yeah. In the dream, I was in chains. And you were having the keys.
In chains?
Yeah.
You had the keys?
I asked you to unlock me, but you refused.
I refused?
I was crying. I was in fear. You did not answer me till you walk away.
I walked away?
Yes.
But baby, you know I can't do that.
I know. Well, I know it's just a dream. Yesterday was our first fight. Maybe that's why our mind is playing a fast one on us. A very funny one.
I'm sorry about what happened yesterday night. It's all my fault. I know I overreacted and I provoked you. I'm deeply sorry.
I'm very sorry too. I thought Sonny Motibinu. That's why I had to walk out and I promised never to beat you again.
It's okay. It's not your fault. Mo provoke any. Lóòótọ́ mo sọ pé ó dá kí ọkùnrin máa fọkùnrin, but àwọn obìnrin náà we need to work on ourselves. I'm so sorry.
Every man should always work on their anger too.
Yeah.
Can we have some sleep now?
I love you. I love you more.
I love you so much.
I love you way more.
In all honesty, the picture you saw, a lot of stories do surround there. Mi ò kí n really fẹ́ tètè sọ story yẹn fáwọn èèyàn because ẹni tó bá ti mọ story yẹn ó ti mọ ẹ̀tọ́ ládé tán nìyẹn.
Are you saying I've not earned the right to know?
No. Kumbi, that's not what I'm saying. It's just that I can't lead with that. See, anybody tí mo bá máa sọ story yẹn fún must be somebody that is ready for it. Bó ṣe wà yìí, I don't want to lose you. Tí n bá sọ fún ẹ, tó bá bínú tó sọ pé o ò ṣe mọ́, kí ló fẹ́ kí n ṣe? How do you want me to live my life? But right now, I think I have to clean the matter. Adekunbi, 3 years ago, Ife, my ex, tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ fún ẹ, just disappeared. She stopped calling, stopped sending messages. I was worried. Mo mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń wá káàkiri. I went to her friends and asked after her. They said they don't know her whereabouts. Mo lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn parents ẹ̀ náà. Àwọn náà saw the same thing. Àyà mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń já kọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀ má tiẹ̀ lọ di tọlọ́pàá. Well, later ni mo notice pé even her friends, her parents, they were not worried at all. I now came to my senses that, oh, maybe she doesn't want me again. Maybe she has left me for good and I resigned to fate. After like 6 months, she just appeared at my doorstep, heavily pregnant. Ife, so o ti lọ fẹ́ ẹlòmíì ni? Since you're married for someone else, ṣé torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe sọ fún mi ni? And she said no, that I'm responsible for the pregnancy. I responsible for your pregnancy? And she said yes. I got so mad, mo láti lè kúrò níbí báyìí ni. The both parents now intervened sí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Then I accepted.
Accepted? Etolade, ó ṣe máa gba irú oyún báyẹn. Come on, when you're not an illiterate. Kò yẹ kó gba irú nǹkan báyẹn. You're smarter than that.
Kumbi, farabalẹ̀. I told them on one condition. And they accepted.
So what was the condition?
That after the birth of the baby, we'll go for a DNA.
Oh, good.
Ìgbà tán dẹ̀ bímọ yẹn, a ṣe DNA. 98% match. The baby is mine. So, all of a sudden she disappeared again.
Really? Why is she disappearing and appearing and disappearing and appearing?
I don't know. After a year, ni mo gbọ́ pé ó ti wà ní America, ó ti marry síbẹ̀. Then she sent that picture to me, kí n lè mọ̀ pé mo lọ́mọ lọ́wọ́.
Okay, the baby's picture.
Yeah. And she said, mo lè má rí ọmọ ẹ̀ mọ́ for life.
Why?
I don't know. So, and that's the truth and nothing but the truth. I hope you believe me.
I believe you.
Kumbi, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Who is Jokes? The messages.
You. Etolade, you keep... I don't even know. You keep asking this question over and over again. Me, I really want to forget there. Number one, I don't like talking about my past. Number two, Jokes is my friend. Come on. We had a bad night yesterday. Can we just have a good day today? I've been here for like 2 days. Yeah, 2 days. You've not even touched me. You've not had sex with me. No cuddling. No romance. You've not fondled my breast. Like, why?
I just decided to respect you.
Respect. Alright. That's a good one and I appreciate. You're a real gentleman. You're kind as well. I respect you for that, but come on.
Koma easy. Èmi náà mú mọ́ra ni o. Stop that.
I'm shy.
Why?
I want to go and clean up.
You see? Very lazy.
Lazy. You wanted a missionary star and that's what you got. So what's
I'm also tired too.
I want to go and clean up.
Oh yeah. This is beloved. And I got Lady Gang right here. Oh baby.
You?
You know we've got to settle all the differences and stuff.
Okay.
Acting like nothing is wrong.
And I have a triple what's called. Just last baby. That's it, baby.
Kunle,
Let's go.
do you notice something?
What's that?
Every word on this board means love.
Of course, we have sex, we have marriage, we have betrayal, we have love, we have drum, we have land, and I've got lost, baby. Listen, I'm so winning this game. It's my game. So, play on.
Well,
You can use your dictionary.
I can clearly see the picture you're trying to paint.
What picture? Are they not? Oh God, she was play on Joe.
Married, got love, lost from you again, lost. Okay, now let me show you the stuff I'm made of. Yeah. And that's E. This is a double-edged word. 6, 10, 11, 12, 15. Let's go, baby.
Can you pronounce that word?
Cheat.
Cheat. You say, I really don't like when people play my intelligence.
No. This word is in the dictionary. You can check it yourself.
Of course I know. I really don't like when you're trying to play smart, like I'm dumb, like I'm stupid, like I don't know what I'm doing. Why are you coming up with cheats? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to do? What are you driving at?
I don't see.
Hey, I'm done.
This is just a game. Kunle. You ought to know me by now. Everything you say or do is the gospel to me. You just get at me. You have so much power over me.
I'm sorry, Mabino. I will tread with caution.
It's okay. You know, forever is a long time. And we're going to be together forever. Ever.
Oh, it's almost 4. I'm gonna miss my flight. I need to get dressed.
4? My God. I never knew time is fast spent like this.
Time.
I love you. All right. Kunle, like seriously, I don't want you to go. I'm missing you already. If you walk out through that door, my life will be empty. Just promise me that if you come back, you'll be spending a week, a month, or even forever.
That's all I did. Moshe, I just want you to forgive me, please.
Please, no. Oh, Shemi. Okay, see. Bushi Shemi. Lèmi náà ṣe. Aremaja kan ò sí now. See, I understand. Maybe it's because we are meeting for the first time. But by the time you come back, I know we'll have understood each other better. See, now I don't understand you any longer.
Listen, Echolade. I need you to listen to me carefully. I'm sorry, there won't be another time.
I don't understand. Sorry. Irú ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wo ni mo lè ever ṣẹ̀ tí mo máa deserve a punishment by? See, please, just tell me you're joking, please.
Who shame me? Even if Toba shame me, I would forgive you because you're such an angel. Do you remember the text messages, the calls, jokes?
Jokes? You told me Jokes was a friend.
I lied. Jokes is my fiance.
What?
And I'm getting married next weekend. Friday is my engagement, and Saturday is my white wedding. Sorry. Please,
just wake me up. Please, I'm dreaming. Tell me I'm dreaming, please.
Stop this. Now you're gonna kill me, please. Listen. I came here because I wanted a perfect relationship. Because I wanted a perfect man. But come on. I'm not perfect either. I've known Chooks for a very long time. All because I wanted a perfect man. I had issues. Both families has been begging me, but I said no until I met you online. But when I got here, I found that there is no perfect man and there's no perfect relationship.
Kubi, Adekubi, what have I done to deserve all this? How? Please, think twice before you walk out. Think twice before you close the door, please. Don't throw this dice. Look back before you leave, please.
There's nothing to think about, Eto. Listen. Oh, the devil I know is far better than the angel I don't know. Because you're such an angel. I want you to be my husband. Right now, mo fẹ́ kó jẹ́ ọkọ mi. Àmọ́ kádàrá ò jẹ́. I'm sorry.
My life is empty, please. I'm ruined. Oh God. Not again. Not again.
I'm sorry.
come.